chance to die. Listen to your heart. Chance to die. Listen to your heart. When king's calling for you, listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do, and I don't want you going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell king goodbye. Sometimes you wonder if the fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are lost in the tide. They're swept away and nothing is what it seems.
Ayan. Guys, nandito po tayo sa Batangas City. Ayan, kukuha po tayo ng Trader Pass. Trader Pass certificate, ayan po. Sa Probit po tayo ng Batangas City. Ayan. Provincial Veterinary Office. Ayan po. Hihintay lang tayo ng alas 8 ng umaga para makakuha tayo.